Here we have the 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Long Bed. This vehicle has the Atkinson V6 engine, which is going to give you both great horsepower as well as fuel economy. This is a brand new truck, full factory warranty. You have 2 years and 25,000 miles of free scheduled maintenance through Toyota, and Summit Toyota will give you an additional 3 years up to a total of 50,000 miles of free oil changes. That's just a perk of doing business with us. This truck is available for sale now. Please call or email me to schedule a test drive.